Life for me is just weed and brews. See the whole flock to you when your name is Q. Am I overfaded? Hell yeah, it's true. Turn a beat on any limit on what I can do. See the top dog and heat, but I'ma fuck the world. I'ma be on tilt until God referrals. You sat me down, I'm still trying to get higher. You looked at me stupid when I took up the fire. Meanwhile, my nigga drunk as fuck, a nigga fucked up. We all fucked up, y'all done fucked up. I brought more blunts, let's go back to up. You niggas know what's up. Too damn high, can't stand myself. I love drunk driving, man, I'm something else. Heat on my side. You more than welcome to milk, about to finish a pound. You more than welcome to help. Hey, weed and brews, weed and brews. Life for me is just weed and brews, weed and brews, weed and brews. Life for me is just weed and brews. I fucked her once and I can fuck her twice. And you heard me right, I might fuck tonight. I fucked her once and I can fuck her twice. And you heard me right, I might fuck tonight.
Pretty motherfucker with a 40 ounce of brew, my nigga Q when we drunker than a bitch. We getting millies, motherfucker, yeah, nigga, weed and brew, it's unbelievable. Got a freak or two in my...
Kill 'em all, odd future wolf gang. Kidnap a vampire and drain all his fucking veins. Wolf Grey Jordans uses intestines for the strings. Snatch up Rihanna and throw her in front of a fucking train. And sniff a fucking unemployment line of cocaine. Tie Lil B up to a full tank of propane. Swag, now watch him cook. And just stand there and look. Have a bonfire with old Harry Potter books. Martians versus goblins, goons versus the crooks. And since me and Toon had Viacom shook, I should've got a real ass pirate to do the hook. Maybe Jack Sparrow, maybe Peter Pan's nemesis. My power limitless, like Blanco on Sega Genesis. Superhero, mad that Marvel overlooked me, cause Spider-Man and Hulk straight push. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking Mars.
Goddamn God.
Yeah. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking Mars.
Mr. Goddamn God.
Yeah. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking Mars.
I'm a goddamn God.
Yeah, no. Motherfucking Mars.
Goddamn God.
We are not the same, I am a Mars.
A year ago, I was poor somewhat. Now my future's brighter than Christopher's new haircut. Bruno Mars is still sucking dick and fucking male butts in the same closet that Tyler Perry gets clothes from. I suck, where the fucking ring pops. You got a better chance of getting a copy of Detox. Wolfgang, we rock, crack rock. And that shit was expected like Jason whenever he name drops.
Fuck you, Tyler.
Jesus, motherfucking Teresa. This nigga gang got Wolf Haley for this feature. My team is running shit like we have full cleat Adidas. Getting chased by the police is on a full-bred cheetah. Bitch, I bet he caught me trying to escape. Bag full of Dragon and Nicki Minaj mixtape. Dragging all you fags to the back of the log cabin. Fall back like LeBron's hairline.
Bitch, I'm a motherfucking Mars.
You lost.
Goddamn God.
Yeah. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking Mars.
Mr. Goddamn God.
Yeah.
Bitch, I'm a motherfucking marshal.
I'm a goddamn god.
Yeah,